Hi guys, it's Surya, and today I'm going to be posting a shorter version of the Pyraminx tutorial. So here I'm not going to be explaining the logic behind these algorithms or anything. I'm just going to be showing you how to solve this cube. Hope you enjoy the video. Okay, so I jumbled the Pyraminx. So first let's align all these corners to the false centers. So this should be fairly simple as it's just mainly twisting and making sure the color of the corner is the same as the piece below it. So let's do that for all four. So now we can go on to solving the first layer. So you can pick whatever color you want as the first layer. I'm just going to pick the blue side because blue tends to stand out a little. So in order to do that, we have to find out which false center does not have blue on it, because we can't just solve the blue side on any side, because the false centers have a specific order to them, and any false center without blue on it cannot have a blue side on it. So this piece does not have blue on it at all. So the side opposite to it can have blue on it. It's the only one that can have blue. So this is the side we can solve blue on. As you can see, all these three false centers have blue. So first, let's make sure all the blue faces of the three false centers are in the same direction. So there's blue here. It needs to be here. So let's twist it. This one too. And this one. So now we have all the false centers aligned correctly. Now we can go on to solving these edges. So now we solved the edges that are all there in this layer. So we've already got one piece here. This is a blue and a yellow, and it needs to go here where blue and yellow coincide, where they meet. So we keep blue in front of where it needs to go. And here's what we do. Blue is on the left side. So we move the left side anti-clockwise, right side anti-clockwise, clockwise, left side clockwise, and right side anti-clockwise. So that brings the piece here. In short, that's up, up, down, down. So now this piece is a blue and a green, and it needs to go where blue and green meet, which is here. So first let's bring the blue in front of where it needs to go. Now it's on the left. So let's do the same thing as before. Up, up, down, down. So that solves this piece as well. Now there's only one left, which is the blue and the red. And this piece needs to go there, and it's on the right side. So now we do it the other way. Right side clockwise, left side anti-clockwise, right side anti-clockwise, left side clockwise. So up, up, down, down. So this solves the first layer. Now sometimes you can have a situation where a piece is in its place but flipped, or it's in a different piece's place. So either way, if you ever want to remove a piece from its place, you just place another piece in it. That will remove this piece. So let's just do that. This piece needs to go there. Up, up, down, down. That removes this piece. Now we can keep it in the right way. So that needs to go there. Up, up, down, down. So that solves the first layer. If you cover this up, the Pyraminx looks solved. So now we can go on to doing the last layer. So in the last layer, you can have three different situations. And to find out which one you have, you first need to align the corner to its false center, which you may have already done, and align each face of the false center to its correct side. So this isn't the right thing because this is the red face of the false center placed on the green face of the Pyraminx. So we need to twist this and keep it like this. Now let's see which situation we have. So the first one is where all the edges are in their right orientation, but are all twisted in a particular direction, like this. So in this situation, we can just go any side we want and do this algorithm. Left side anti-clockwise, up clockwise, left side clockwise, up clockwise, left side anti-clockwise, up clockwise, and left side clockwise. So sometimes this works because it twists the pieces in the correct direction, but sometimes it does it in the opposite direction, which means you have to do it one more time to solve it. So let's just do that. So let's solve the Pyraminx. Now let's just go to the next situation, which is like this. It's where one piece is solved and the other two are in their places but flipped. So in this situation, you go on the opposite side to the solved piece, and here's what you do. Right side anti-clockwise, left side clockwise, right side clockwise, left side anti-clockwise. And then you twist the cube like this to change the position of the cube. And then you go right side clockwise, left side anti-clockwise, right side anti-clockwise, left side clockwise. So that solves this situation. So now the next situation is probably the most complicated. So here you have a very weird arrangement of these pieces. It's really quite hard to describe. So in this situation, you just search for the edge which does not match on any of its sides. So this one matches on red, this one matches on yellow, this does not match on either. So you go opposite on the opposite side to this piece, keep this behind you. And here you just see, does this edge match its side or this edge match its side? So in this case, it's the left edge that matches its side. As you can see, we have this here. So in this situation, here's what you do. Right side anti-clockwise, left side clockwise, right side clockwise, left side anti-clockwise. And then you shift the cube, and then here's what you do. Right side anti-clockwise, left side anti-clockwise, right side clockwise, and left side anti-clockwise. Now you can have a slightly different version of the situation where when you go opposite to this unmatched weird edge, you have the right edge matching. So in this situation, you just do the mirror image version of what I just did. You go left side clockwise, right side anti-clockwise, left side anti-clockwise, right side clockwise. And then you shift the cube, and then you go left side clockwise, right side clockwise, left side anti-clockwise, right side anti-clockwise. So this solves the cube. Congratulations, you've solved the Pyraminx. I hope you had fun doing it.